Good morning, YouTube. It's Saturday morning. Figured I'd give you an update of what we're working with here. So this is my setup, my little piece of working fun. So this is, I believe they call it like a carriage style garage built in the 20s. But yeah, those doors, they all, they all hinge and they all come along the wall here, and that's how they open. But this is basically what I'm working with. And one of the main reasons I picked a car and that I'm starting to really enjoy is it fits in the garage here. So not a tremendous amount of space. That's my ongoing junk pile. But so I've got all my some specialty tools up there, chemicals, video. That's my workbench, various stuff, toolbox. Well, I've got a lot of shit in here, to be honest. And of course, the car. Hood makes a great thing to hang parts to hold and dry. Carpets for the dogs to lay down when they come in here and watch me. Yeah, did get some new horns for her to kind of go with the color scheme that we're working with. And, do a lot of painting here. We've got the front clip and bumper back there. Got this just kind of tarped off, keep the dust and stuff off of the other half of the garage so it's not so nasty from all the dust and stuff that we create in here. This is where I left off, and of course, being in the Northeast, it's pretty cold around here. The other day when taking the brakes apart, I noticed that the shock wasn't connected to anything. There's no bottom plate at all. So we're gonna have to see about that and everything. And of course, new bushings for the stabilizer. And look at that wonderful bar. Yeah, I think we're gonna need a new one of those as well, huh? But so this is basically what I'm working with. Tight quarters, but you can, if you can work with it, you can work with it. Oh yeah, and here's my heating source in these cold days. Something I found alongside the road that was for free. I think it's early 1900s. Took it all apart and everything. It's a number 629M by, what is it, New Process. And, it works okay, I guess. Oh, hold on a second here. We will open her up. Oops, sorry about that. So, one thing I would like to do, and I have not found enough information about it, but I would love to put a new wick in it because it's at about its end of life. And not quite sure what'll work for a wick because I don't think I can get this particular wick anymore. Let's see here. Yeah. Hold on a second. I don't know if I can prop you up here. Oh, look at that. Maybe I'll have to move. Maybe it's not at its. Maybe I can just move the cage down the wick, and then I'll just have to keep it fuller because the wick won't reach the complete bottom. But sorry. Yeah. This is what it is. Ideally, I'd like to get a new one with the cage because the cage or the mesh here, you know, shows some wear from that tooth in there that lowers and raises it. But, you know, early 1900s, I'm sure there's not much for these anymore. But, yeah, if anybody knows what exactly wick will work with that, you know, leave a comment below. But, you know, that's what I'm dealing with. Didn't know if you guys would like to see. Anyways, happy Saturday. Catch you later. Bye.